Yep. Oh, geez. Oh, geez. This is big.
What's up, y'all? This is Gavin with Red Camo Crossing, and I was doing some creek fishing in this video, and the fish were really stacked up, caught a lot of fish. It was a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoy.
There we go. Wow. Little bluegill. Itty bitty guy. There's something else. Oh, I think that's a little largemouth. That's like, yeah, that's not too bad. All right, that's cool. All right. Come on, get off of there. All right, there we go. Little largemouth, little creek largemouth. Oh, yeah, there's a fish on it. That's what I thought. All right, what do we have here? Bluegill. All right, there he is, little guy. Jesus. Yeah, that's fine. There we go. More bluegill. Oh, well, this is a green sunfish. All right. All right, there we go. Little green sunfish. Nope. All right, little bass. Man, that was a light bite. All right, what do we, oh, is that a little spot? Nah, I think that's just a largemouth. There we go. Ah, it could be a spot. I'm rusty on telling the difference between a spot and a largemouth, but here we go, a little bass. Yep, there we go. Oh, geez. This is Polish. Okay. Whatever this is pretty good. I was gonna say, those last couple bites felt better. What? Oh, that's a drum. Okay, for a moment, I thought that was a smallmouth buffalo, but heck yeah. All right. That's still fun. All right, freshwater drum. Fun fight. All right, I moved down a little ways. Sick of getting my line sliced through by other fishing lines, so moved back down, kind of towards from where I came from, where I started at. There we go. Oh, geez. Holy smokes. No! That was something good. That sucks. There we go. Got a little better hook set this time. Oh, yep, drum. Definitely not as big as that last one. That last one took off, but all right, more drum. There we go. Okay. He smacked that. That was cool. I wonder if this is another drum or what. Man, he is fighting. This camera's rolling, right? Yeah, that camera's rolling. Yeah, another drum. All right, a little bigger than the last one. Actually, yeah, this might be the biggest one yet. Actually, it's similar size to the first one, but man. There we go again. Another drum. That's funny. That felt like when a big crappie just thumps your jig. Just thump. That was pretty fun. Oh, yep, there we go. Got something else. It's coming a little easier, but another drum. We got some drums stacked up in here. All right. Hey, that's cool. These are fun to catch. Put up a great fight on ultralight, that's for sure. All right, another drum. Man, these guys are putting some bend in the rod. All right. There we go. See if we can. I'd love to hook like a 5-pounder on this. That will be a ride. Caught one in May on the Mississippi River when I took a fishing trip. I was catfishing. He was a good 10 pounds. He fought pretty good, so I can imagine. That was on 50-pound line in my catfish setup, so couldn't imagine one of those on this. There we go. Well, they don't seem to be getting any bigger. Hey, we'll keep trying for them. Oh, right, holy smokes. They really are stacked up in here. Oh, that's a bluegill. Okay. Good. Decent size for the ones we've been catching. All right. You got it. There you go. All right. I don't think there's anything else to see here except for drum and bluegill, so we're gonna keep moving down. Oh, geez. Okay, that's something. Oh, what is that? I think it is a catfish, actually. Come up here. Yep, little catfish. Little channel. All right. That's 4 different species. Little channel cat, let's go. Oh, there we go. Yeah, a little bluegill. Oh, got something. Ah, really little catfish. Oh my gosh. Oh my good. That's probably I think that's the smallest catfish I've ever caught. That's cool though. Little bitty channel. Oh, there's another fish. Yeah, this might be another catfish. Kind of feels like it. Yep. All right. Found a spot with some little channel cats. Well, that's cool, and that's good. It shows they're reproducing. Or at least being stocked well. I don't know if they stocked this creek or not. And another one. Another catfish. All little bitty guys. Just so little. There we go. Well, I think I found the spot with the catfish. Oh, we got off. That one felt more like the size of the first one. Let's see, let's get it back out there. Nope. Yep, there we go. Yeah, this one feels small again, real small. Yep. Oh, there he goes. Oh, come on, buddy, you got it. I think he's confused. Yep, there he goes. Jeez, wind. Got that one pretty much to the other bank. Uh-oh, there's a bite. Yep. Oh, geez. Oh, geez. This is big. Oh, shit. This isn't a little cat. Oh, shit. Stay on. Stay on. Big fish. Oh, no. This is a catfish. This is huge. This is whatever this is huge. I was gonna say hit it, and then it went slack. I thought there was nothing on there anymore. And then he started pulling. Oh, come here. He is moving slow. I kind of wonder if this is a carp, but I'm hoping this is a good cat. Yeah, this kind of starting to feel more like a good cat. Come on, 2-pound line. Oh. This is gonna take a while. It's coming up to the surface. I can't quite see what he is. Oh, come here. Oh, geez. Come on, big boy. Slowly getting, oh, yeah, decent sized channel cat, it looks like. Oh yeah, he's good size. Oh yeah, beautiful fish. Ah, he's a little tangled up, it looks like. Oh, I got him. I hooked him on the, that's why he felt so much bigger. Hooked him right behind the head. Yeah, I thought he was twice the size of that. But that explains a lot because I have him, yeah, hooked on the fin. All right. Fun fight. Fun fish. I thought that was like a 10-pound fish. In all honesty, but man, I got him. He is hooked in the fin good. There we go. All right, there we are. Beautiful channel cat. All right, that was a lot of fun. Caught a lot of fish. many different species, had 4 species, and it's just a blast fishing these creeks in the fall. A lot of fish grouping up, and you can really catch a lot. I hope you enjoyed, and remember, never let the opportunity for a good adventure go to waste.